I'm here to tell you about the pop-on veneers. Yes, I ordered them initially, and I don't know, for some reason they looked too bulky. As you can see, I have a gap because of my missing teeth up top here, and on the side here, like terrible. Just wear and tear, and then I'm 50, so but I said I was going to try the top ones first, and then if I liked them I was going to get the bottom ones. But the other ones were too bulky, so they did remakes for me, and they do your first remakes for free. So what I did was got this cute little case with the mirror, of course, and what I did was they sent them back and I tried them on, and this is how they come, and they snap into place. Like that. And voila, Smile-rific. They're very light, so I was able to eat in them. It warns you not to eat like anything that's too hard or too sticky or chewy or something to that effect. But I'm loving it. I like that it covers everything. See that coverage? And I love my smile. It's like having some new set of teeth, and they don't hurt. They're not uncomfortable. I love the veneers. So if that's what you want, this is a great alternative. It was worth every penny that I paid. I love it. And they let me do it on an installment plan. And then it wasn't like they waited till I finished the installment plan to send me my veneers. They sent them. So what do you guys think? I love it. So thank you, Pop-On Veneers.